Well, we can never truly be done with any one topic. Before we hit disjunctions, I want to take one more look at conjunctions and a case like this where you have some division for your expression in the middle. Solving is going to be the same process as solving an equation. It's just worth taking a look at this situation. So we're given the inequality. Negative 11 is less than the quantity r minus 9 divided by 7, which in turn is less than or equal to 5. And to solve this, we can't get rid of the constant to the negative 9 first because both parts, or the entire quantity, is divided by 7. So we need to undo that division first. And the opposite of divide is multiply. So we're going to multiply both sides, there it is, by 7. All three sides get multiplied by 7. To rewrite this, negative 7 times 11 will be negative 77. In the center, your 7s are going to cancel. They'll divide out to 1. On the right, 35. So rewrite it every single time so you don't get lost in what you're doing. One more step here. This says subtract 9. Remember the opposite of subtraction is addition. So we change that to a plus. Add it to all three parts. And again, rewrite. So we'll do negative 77 plus 9 on the left. We'll do 35 plus 9 on the right. Gives you negative 68 less than r less than or equal to 44. Let's go ahead and graph this. My numbers of interest are negative 68 and positive 44. The 68 is strictly less than. There's no equal to. You can't actually plug 68 in and have it work, so it's an open dot. The 44 is a value that will work. It is indeed equal to, so it'll be a closed dot. R still lives directly in between them, as we've seen is the way to graph conjunctions. Interval notation is just as easy as writing the small value and the high value. So negative 68 to 44. Once again, the question comes, we'll use a parenthesis or a bracket. The parenthesis is associated with the open dot. So 68 gets the parenthesis, you can't actually plug it in. The bracket is associated with the closed dot or the equal on the inequality. And since you can use 44, we use a bracket. And that is how you solve. Once again, just like any other equation solving, you just have three parts to worry about: left, middle, and right. Keep in mind open dot for strict inequality, closed dot for an equal sign. Know when to use your parentheses. Know when to use your brackets. That aside, there's not a whole lot you can do to change up conjunction type problems. Now we'll take a look at disjunctions on the next lesson.